Nice to meet you. You can call me Betty. I found this rock on the Washougal River on a beautiful early October sunny afternoon. Here's a picture of two other rocks from that day. I think the one on the left is petrified wood, and I think the one on the right is quartzite. I'm a rock newbie, and I'm not certain about my identification. I think we can safely say that these rocks were once sedimentary. This is my third rock, and I really feel like I'm on a roll. I decided to cut the bottom off first. This rock fractured while I was cutting it, but I don't think we lost anything important. My first impression looking at the bottom of this rock, I didn't see much. But once I got it cleaned off, I saw that it's actually incredibly beautiful. I decided to cut the rock lengthwise to see if I could find any wood grain inside of it. The lengthwise cut was really exciting. It really shows the wood grain on this rock. My husband got really excited when I was done cutting the rock and tried to steal it from me. I really can't believe how lucky I've been. The rocks that I've cut open have been incredibly beautiful inside. I'm sure we're going to have to kiss some toads soon. To me, this looks like petrified wood with some insect damage. But I'd really like to know what you think, so please let me know. I can't wait to cut the next rock. See you later.